Mountain biking became a sport in the late 1970s. The first successful high-quality flat-tire bicycle was built in Marin County, California by Joe Breeze, who recognized the demand for such a bicycle while riding rocky trails of nearby Mount Tamalpais with friends. Jordan was able to exert 160 pounds on the pedal, which is equivalent to 712 newtons. Gear 1 is the lowest gear. In this gear, the wheel turns 3/4 of a full circle with one full pedal rotation. Mechanical advantage is a measurement of how much easier a task is with the machine versus without the machine. In this instance, the cranks of the bike are considered our machine, and we are finding the mechanical advantage of the distance input of one pedal rotation versus the distance output of how far the wheel travels. We found the mechanical advantage of Gear 1 by dividing the diameter of pedal rotation by the rear wheel distance. The mechanical advantage of Gear 1 is 0.87. Gear 22 is the highest gear. The wheel turns 3 1/3 full rotations when the pedal is turned once. Mechanical advantage equals distance input over distance output. To find the mechanical advantage of Gear 22, we followed the same process of dividing the diameter of pedal rotation by the rear wheel distance that we did to find the mechanical advantage of Gear 1. The mechanical advantage of Gear 22 is 0.20. While riding, your eyes should always be looking roughly 5 meters ahead. When holding onto your handlebars with arms extended but elbows unlocked, your body angle relative to your extended arms should be 90 degrees. Different styles of terrain require different types of tires. If the terrain is very loose, rocky, and technical, then a tire with a large surface area and big knobs will offer the most traction and efficiency. If the terrain is level and smooth, then a tire with less surface area and smaller knobs will increase rolling speed and decrease rolling friction. A tire somewhere in the middle can be considered a jack of all trades but a master of none. In other words, it will excel in many areas, but it won't be the best at one thing. Gloves can be very helpful when riding. They increase the friction of grip one has on the handlebars, which allows more torque to be applied to the bike from the rider. Clip-ins are spring-loaded pedals that allow the rider's feet to be connected to the bike. Flat pedals are simply platforms for the rider's feet to push against. Clip-ins increase the amount of force one can apply to the gear on one pedal rotation. A rider can push and pull on the pedals at the same time rather than flat pedals. This increases overall efficiency and power delivery.